Hey, I'm John McPherson with the MKT Real Estate Group of Coldwell Banker Triad Realtors. I'm here with my buddy Rick Babuziak, my State Farm agent, and we're going to ask him a couple questions to help out new buyers and also renters, and a little bit of insurance questions to try and find out what's going to be best for you. Rick, you ready to answer some questions?
Let's do it, John. I get a lot of questions regarding renter's insurance from a lot of clients, a lot of people who are looking to buy insurance. And renter's insurance is a very important coverage you can have, and it's super affordable too. But first off, a lot of people don't realize that if they're renting an apartment, if their apartment burns down, if they're broken into, if there's water damage, if there's anything like that, the policy the complex has does not cover their personal property. So if there's a burglary, there's a fire, your personal property is gone. And I'll ask clients all the time, think about everything you own, your furniture, your clothing, your kitchen appliances. If you had to write a check today and replace every single thing you have, that's probably not a check you'd really want to write or a check you could write. So what you do is you buy a renter's insurance policy from, for instance, my office here with State Farm. You can get a renter's insurance policy for as little as $6 or $7 a month, maybe even less. And that's going to cover, like I said, you for fire, for burglary, if there's a water pipe that bursts. But what if your neighbor starts a kitchen fire? If your neighbor burns down the apartment, you're also covered as well. So renter's insurance covers your personal property. Renter's insurance also covers you for liability. So let's say you start a kitchen fire and you burn down the apartment building, which also burns your neighbor's property. If your neighbor sues you for that liability claim, your renter's insurance also covers that. Renter's insurance is a super important coverage to have and a very affordable policy to own.